Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can activate the game mode, that's the low latency mode, on your Edifier WH500. So to do this we have to locate the right headphone, and it's actually the marking, so that's the right side. And we have to find this button. It's located just right here. Let me catch focus on it. Okay, on this button next to the USB-C port, and when you click on it once, you can hear that you turn on the game mode. So you can basically switch between the game mode and the music mode. Music mode gives you like better sound quality. The game mode gives you low latency. So it's, for example, good when you're watching like some videos on the YouTube or on the Netflix. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.